paper rose tutorial.
Fold a giant triangle on my paper to make a square, and I color it pink. This will be the color of my rose. I fold my paper in half twice, so I'll be making 4 squares from my piece of paper. I cut them all out. For all 4 squares, I fold it in half to make a triangle, and I fold it in half 2 more times. Draw an arch in the middle, and I cut the tip. It'll unravel into a little paper flower. I cut 1 petal off in one of the flowers. For the second flower, I cut 2 petals off. Next one, 3 petals. The last one gets cut in half. I take the 1 petal and I kind of roll it up onto itself. I take the second petal and I do something similar with it. For the third petal, I glue 1 petal on top of the other. I basically do the same thing for all the other petals. So 1 petal on top of the other. This is what they all are going to start to look like. It gets a lot more easier when you start gluing the bigger petals. After gluing, I take the smallest petal and I put inside the second smallest petal. After I put it inside the third smallest petal, on the third petal, I start curving the edges of the flower with the end of a paintbrush. Just repeat the process with the larger petals. I just keep doing it until I have no more petals, and I need to make the stem for my rose. I add glue to the tip of the page. I roll the edge up carefully. I add glue to the edge and secure the stem onto the rose, and voila!